The rain is coming down steadily, but we're catching fish. These two guys are like fish catching machines over here. 85 walleyes. Anyway, this is crazy. You can't see the graph, but it's like 5 feet deep right here, and all sand. I don't know why the walleyes are so stacked. It's crazy spot. There's current, but and it's a pinch point. Oh, there it is. It's another nice, like, fat, chunky. Oh, it was a nice, fat, chunky walleye. Watch this. This is a 3-second walleye. 1, 2, twitch, 3, 4. Oh, there it is. Oh, almost had him. Oh, I had him. There must be like, oh, a million walleyes down there. Oh, another. Oh, this one's a pike. What is pike in French? Brochette?
Yes.
Yeah. Brochette. Doré. Grande doré. That's walleye in French. Look at my beautiful leader. It's all curly and like twisted. Who cares? All right, here we go. Here we go. Right there. Oh, it's oh.
Pike bite off.
No, I didn't get bit off. Oh, yep. Oh my God, it's crazy. It's insanity. It's another fat walleye. This is exactly the kind of fishing that we like. The kind that takes no thought, no skill, no effort. Just flip it in like 5 feet from the boat. Oh man, this is a chunky one. This is a really nice chunky one. Beauty. Oh. Hey, way to go, buddy. Oh, that's another nice fat. Oh, oh yeah. It's a slam fest. There's a lot of meat in the meat hole. Oh. I wonder how many of these have been caught more than once. Like,
probably everyone.
I don't know. You gotta wonder, you know? Like, seriously. This is a nice one. I may want to get like a photograph of this thing. You can do both at the same time. Like, they're all big fat cows, actually, in here. Wild. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Yeah. It's a double trouble. Yours is bigger. This is extremely enjoyable. It's calm, there's no bugs. It's like basically like fish every single cast. You should get a picture of that guy because he's quite impressive.
Bite marks all over him?
Yeah, I know. Just flipping it like 10 feet in front of the boat here, and this channel here is so shallow. It's like 2.5 feet leading up to it, and there's just a little like 6-foot depression right here.
That's a little better one here.
Yeah. Excellent. That is a nice one. That is a nice big fat one. Look at that guy. Beauty. See ya. No bait required. Oh, it sounds like funny. Like every time you cast, like it's like not strung through your guides properly or something.
It's the knot.
Oh. Why haven't you hooked one yet? It's like it's taking you so long. Oh, there you go. Took like 3 seconds longer than it normally does. You're like a brute with your rod. Just whip it behind you. That's okay. Oh, he's right in the gristle. There you go. Oh, there you go. There's a ledge there. I'm assuming you can see that. Super close to shore. Another nice one. Actually, that's a little one. It doesn't get much easier or faster than that, right?
Nope.
Nope. Oh. There you go. This spot is well named. It is well named, this meat hole. Nice one. Keep casting, buddy.
I'm swiping out of there.
There it is.
Oh, it's a pike.
A little pike. Lots of pike here too. Oop, swinging it over. Yeah, we don't like those little guys. Here. Back in action. There you go. Yep. Doesn't get much easier than this. Nice, easy spot to fish. Easy to anchor. Nice and protected. It's like super shallow water. It's crazy how shallow these walleyes are sitting in. The waters they're sitting in. It's crazy. There you go. Nice. Well done, sir. I'm going to head back to the back of the boat again and assume my position. Nice. My turn now. Let's see what we can do. There's such a crazy spot.
It's been 5 seconds. What are you doing?
Oh, there. Happy now. Yeah, Rick and Matt need to fish this spot. Oh, that's another nice girthy one. Okay.
This is a walleye angler's dream.
Yeah, I guess so, eh?
I think we need to rename this place Heaven.
Walleye
Heaven, Walleye Heaven.
Walleye Heaven. They seem to be. We were getting a lot of. I mean, these are really quality walleyes. We were getting like really big ones in September. Still looking for those 10-pounders. Like we were getting like 8, 10-pound fish. You can see, well, I can with my polarized glasses on, but there's like sand and all around us. It's just this. It's a little depression right here, surrounded by like 2.5 feet of water. It's a crazy spot. Oh, there was one over there. And like I can see, it's like a foot deep over there where that one boiled. Yep. Okay, come to me. Come to Papa. Ow!
Bain-like gold.
Got me. Yeah. I'll try, this is where Ross was casting, right here.
When the sun was out, you could see him hit it. It's like catching him in an aquarium.
Yeah. Okay, it's just, yeah, it's crazy. There's a surprising amount of current through here, actually. Oh, that's the smallest one yet. Oh, completely inhaled it. Oh, man. So this is something I wouldn't recommend people do, but anyway, this is what you do when you're too lazy to grab the pliers. Just like that. It's a little risky if they bite down when you got your finger in there. All right, we'll just try close to the boat again. Right there. Oh. Oh, there she is. Ooh, that feels like a fat one. Nice. Oh, you could do this all day long, but I don't think we need much more walleye footage. We got like, I don't know, 20 minutes of this, like every cast between the two of us. I think this one's in the pectoral fin. No, that's why it felt so big. It's a nice one, but it's like in the belly. That's how many fish are down here, apparently. Oh, yes. Okay, just chill out, dude. Try hooking like a Chinook like that in the belly. Okay, then let go. Stop moving. That's it, the meat hole. Doesn't get much better.